Never started the video.
Alright, so we were just in the hive here. Decided to leave all of the honey. They were kind of a smaller tribe anyway. So, yeah. And they were our latest, so they get to keep everything. So, to winterize them, I got this little thing here. It's got about a 1/2 inch lift. Because the propolis over here, we don't want it to stick. I did save some animal fur and what have you, but I'm going to try, since this hive is insulated on the sides and what have you, I'm going to try this down pillow. It's an old down pillow that I haven't made any use of in a long time. And hive number 3 is winterized. So we're about to go into this lane straw hive. The frames are going to be a little bit shorter. This is a stacked hive. This is your traditional American hive. We just came out of a lanes hive, insulated lanes hive, 20 framer, and then you got 10 and 10 here. Wait, no.
Yeah, 10 and 10.
10 and 10 on top,
Medium.
but they're pretty much close to the same. So, all right, let's do it.
We just left you all honey buddies.
All right, here, Olga. Get the shots while I look.
Oh, the shots, like, is it recording or you want me to make?
Recording.
Oh, okay.
All right, we're going in. Looks like there's not a whole lot going on the sides, which tells me we're going to be leaving everything in here as well.
It was on Bauer's farm.
Yeah, so as you can see, they haven't worked on this last one, but we'll probably leave it. And going in, it looks like pretty much they've worked on the center.